Ever found yourself in a situation where you're trying to pay for something with your phone, but your go-to-digital bank doesn't quite seem to play nice with the local payment system? It's a common challenge, especially in a country like Switzerland, where a specific mobile payment app is incredibly popular. We're talking, of course, about Twint. Twint is essentially Switzerland's Venmo or Cash App. It's the dominant player for mobile payments, used everywhere from online shops to street-side vendors. If you're living in or traveling through Switzerland, having access to Twint is a huge convenience. But what if your primary banking service is something modern and digital like Neon? This is a question a lot of people have, and it's a topic that's surrounded by a bit of confusion. So, does Neon support Twint? The short answer is yes, but not in the way you might expect. You can't just open the Neon app and start using Twint directly within it. Neon is a digital banking solution, and while it's designed to integrate with a lot of modern financial tools, it doesn't have its own built-in Twint app. Instead, Neon relies on a separate Twint app to make the connection. Specifically, you use the Twint prepaid app. This is a crucial distinction. It means you're not using a special Neon-branded Twint app. You're using a generic, standalone version that can be linked to any bank account, including your Neon account. The process is pretty straightforward, but it's important to know the steps. First, you need to download and install the Twint prepaid app from your phone's app store. Once you've registered and set up your details, you'll need to link it to your Neon account. This is done by adding your Neon card and your IBAN. The app will verify your information, and once everything is authorized, you'll be able to transfer money from your Neon account to your Twint prepaid account. Now, this brings us to the most important part of this whole relationship, the prepaid aspect. The Twint prepaid app isn't a direct debit service from your Neon account. Think of it like a digital wallet you have to top up. You move money from Neon to Twint, and then you use that money for your Twint payments. This is different from how some bank-specific Twint apps work, where the payment might be debited directly from your main bank account in real time. For some users, this might feel like an extra step. You have to remember to load money onto your Twint app before you can use it. However, it also gives you a lot of control over your spending. You can set a budget for yourself and only move a certain amount of money to your Twint account, preventing impulse buys and making it easier to track your day-to-day spending. So, while Neon doesn't have its own proprietary Twint app, the fact that it's compatible with the Twint prepaid app means you can absolutely use Switzerland's most popular mobile payment service. It's a simple and effective workaround that ensures you get the best of both worlds, the modern, low-fee banking of Neon, and the widespread convenience of Twint. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.